Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the ESPN Fantasy League game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Fantasy League game on your device and proceed with logging in to your account using your email address and your password, you will be taken into the home page. From this page, you will find the settings icon at the top right corner, which you can tap on to see various different settings that are available. However, you will not find any option to delete your account. So if you wish to delete your account, you will need to contact the support team. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box. Then just type in ESPN Fantasy Sports and start your search. Once you find the game, tap on it and scroll down to find the app support option. Tap on the drop-down menu and you will now find the phone number as well as email address. You can use either one of these methods to contact the customer care. If you tap on email, you can simply launch your email application and then enter within the subject section that you wish to delete your account. Then explain this in detail within the main body section and then tap on the send button to send your email. Once the support team receives your email, they will send you a response quickly, within which you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your ESPN Fantasy Sports game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.